Welcome to the Rational Asset Manager 7502 Cloud image. This short video will introduce you to your new RAM instance. As you can see, your RAM instance is pre-configured with a set of sample users and assets. Each user password is the same as its user ID. These sample users have permission to search for and view asset details, but may not download or upload assets. The admin user's password is the password you set at the time your instance was provisioned. This sample data can be useful if you're looking to explore the features of RAM, but once you're ready to start using your cloud instance as a production server, you'll want to change this data. Let's start with the users. You can edit the users from the RAM Server Setup application. To access this application, go to the ram.setup URL. You will need to log in as the admin user. Once you have logged in, click the User and Authentication link. From this page, you can add or remove users. If you'd like to connect your RAM repository to an LDAP server, click the Introduction page link. Ensure that IBM DB2 is selected for your database vendor, change the authentication type to LDAP, and select I have an RTC server for the Rational Team Concert server. Click the Next button. You will need to continue clicking the Next button until you reach the Users and Authentication section. Once there, you can configure your LDAP server. Once your LDAP server has been configured, click the Finish button. Returning to the RAM application, let's look at the sample assets. The sample assets are loaded as libraries in RAM. To access these libraries, navigate to the Administration section and click the Libraries link. From this page, you can see all of the libraries that are loaded. Click on one of the libraries to remove it. You will see the assets associated with the library. Click the Disable link, and then click the Disable button to confirm your selection. The assets have now been removed from the repository. If you need more information on RAM, you can access the Help documentation by clicking Help and Help Contents. You can also go to our Jazz.net project page, which has more video tutorials and documentation.